All right, all right. It's about 3:30. I don't think much is going to change, although that last 10 minutes is usually a doozy. We maintained that inside bar today, but we stayed below the 8-day moving range on the S&P. So I'm expecting it to trade off again tomorrow. There's really nothing telling me that it's going to do otherwise. Even if we look at the 60, um, there's no divergence. Looks like the momentum just might put in a lower high and then break through. Um, but a few days of selling off, really not a problem. The 120 looks still looks bearish. So my bias is for a sell-off tomorrow. Looking at the 10-year, the 10-year is flat today, and looks like it's getting ready to stage a move up, which is fine. We want it to move up. We don't want to see money coming out of the stock market and going into bonds, which would force the price of bonds up and the interest rates down. And the VIX came down a buck on today's lack of volatility, and that's good too. That's supportive of a healthy market. So I don't think there's much to fear. Apple's still looking negative. It didn't really push down today because there was no volume, but I think we'll break the low tomorrow and maybe get that move down. Amazon setting up a bear flag too. So a break tomorrow could push down. I think we're going to trade down first thing in the morning. And then we might rebound into the close. Just kind of a feeling I have. Coinbase. Let's start taking a look at Coinbase. Looks like it's setting up a bear flag too. So we'll just keep an eye on that on the daily. So a break of today's low tomorrow would be a bear flag, and away it goes. Disney. I'm still a buy on dips kind of guy for Disney. They took a beating on their earnings, basically a slowdown in the subscription market. But these guys are everything. Their retail, their cruise lines, their amusement parks. So have no fear with Disney. Goodbye. Facebook, light volume, same setup. All these stocks are going to look the same as the S&P and the Nasdaq. So we could look for bear flags tomorrow. The Goog, Alphabet, less dramatic as far as a flag goes, but same. Nonetheless, inside bar today, just no volume, nothing going on, and that's because of Veterans Day. Microsoft, Bank. Oh, what a surprise! Inside bar looks the same. Netflix had a little action. That was a bounce off of the sell-off, and it hit resistance, closed that gap, and hit resistance. So, it's in a consolidation. Looks like a momentum's turning around. The 60 minutes turning around. We're going to have to see what it does tomorrow. It could break either way. There may be a trade on either break. NVIDIA. These are the big boys moving the markets these days. Again, inside bar. So lots of inside bars to play. Palladium keeps crawling up. We've been talking about that for quite some time, at least for a month already. You would have gotten it down in the lower 90s. But that's a play on the auto industry taking off again. And last but hardly least, Tesla. And Tesla, ironically, is not an inside bar, but could be a flag. You could look for a break tomorrow to the downside. Everybody's still hung up about Elon selling stuff, but $15 billion tax bill. Where's that money going to come from? He's not rolling quarters. So anyway, that's it for the day. I hope everybody had a good trading day. I didn't take any directionals because of the light volume, so I figured I'd just sit on my hands today, just anticipating the bars all being an inside day. And yeah, a day like this, you just get chopped up. So it's best to just sit back and let the market do what it's got to do. Tomorrow will present plenty of opportunity. So catch me tomorrow. Look for my morning market meeting, and I'll give you some insight into what I think is going to happen for the day. I start streaming at 9:30 for as long as I can keep a signal and stream. And we knock out a few trades. If there's anything you want me to look at, just leave it in the comments or hop online and leave it in the chat. So hit the subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when I'm dropping some videos or coming up live. And hit the like because it goes a long way and I appreciate it. So everybody remember, stay calm and cool. Get in a little meditation. Be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.